You know you're getting old when you're more excited about a mattress topper than you are about a brand new TV. Now, let me tell you what, my back was killing me on this mattress right here. This is just a queen mattress that we have inside the camper. So it's not the full-time mattress, but it's a queen mattress where it's like spring. And then we needed to get a mattress topper, right? Because I want my vacation to be my vacation. When I go vacationing, I want the vacation, not a workout at trying to sleep, if you know what I mean, right? So I'm gonna just bump this up, but you can see what I did there. This actually just slips around the mattress like that. But before I tuck it in and say it's all good, I wanna show you what this is. This is a memory foam gel pad. So right here, this is gonna keep you cool at night. So on those hot summer nights when you're camping, or if you're just in your home right here, this is gonna be about a 3-inch thick mattress with a memory foam topper and a really nice foam pad. But this is a cooling one, so it's going to keep you cool at night on those summer nights, which is exactly why we got it, to put it in our trailer right here. This is machine washable. You can take this cover completely off, unzip all of it, wash this off, which is what you're going to need to do if you keep it in a camper, or you just go to bed dirty. But don't do that, because your wife's going to kill you if you do. Ask me how I know. Don't ever go to bed dirty. But when you're camping, sometimes you just don't have that luxury. So you can take this off, completely machine washable. But my favorite part, oh yes, my favorite part is not that it latches down. It's not that you can take it and machine wash it. It's not even that it's memory foam. My favorite part is this. You see how it just contours to your body? It is like sleeping. Now, I'm not going to say it's like sleeping on a cloud, because that's too cliche. It's just like sleeping comfortably. I'm getting that. Good night. Oh, you're still here? Go away. It's my nap time.